What makes a railway? Well, you need a number of things. You need infrastructure, such as buildings, platforms and rails. You then need rolling stock, carriages to ride in and locomotives to haul them. But there's something else, that special touch. The special thing that makes a railway more than just a relic of history. People. People who decide that they want to join all for different reasons. Some call us railway enthusiasts, but I prefer the term enthusiastic railwaymen. Let's meet the team.
Hi, I'm Kim and I'm an ophthalmologist's assistant.
I'm Bill and I'm a retired pilot.
I'm Dave and I'm a test train engineer for London Underground.
Hi, I'm Andy and I'm a paramedic.
I'm Will and I'm a signaller.
I'm Matt and I'm a HR manager.
I'm Stuart and I'm a radar specialist.
I am Simon and I am an environmental consultant.
I'm Nick and I'm an operations supervisor for rail freight.
I am Karina and I am an accountant.
I'm Neil, I'm a service engineer.
I'm Ollie and I'm a production electrician.
Fireman.
Cleaner.
Porter.
Fireman.
Permanent way.
Signalman.
Fireman.
Porter.
Shunter.
Driver.
Ticket inspector.
Cleaner.
The reason why I stay with the railway is it's like a second family to me.
Hard work and camaraderie.
I love working with so many great people from so many different backgrounds.
I enjoy learning new skills and meeting new people.
Enjoying at this stage driving steam locomotives.
I love my bullied steam engines.
I love working in the countryside.
I love stepping back in time to a time when clocks ticked and things happened because people made them happen.
Working with great people.
Being part of a family.
It's a chance to relive the past.
I love bringing the magic of steam alive for our visitors to enjoy.
To do something I never thought I could do, and to inspire the next generation. Because, to us, this is more than just any railway.
This is our railway.
This is our railway.
This is our railway.
This is our railway.
Couldn't say it better myself.